The world moves fast, faster than ever really. And some of the things in our home that were once essential only recently can quickly become unnecessary. So if you're looking to declutter your home and make quick progress, I'd like to offer you a list of things that you can get rid of now in the year 2025. Start with these 25 items that have likely outlived their usefulness if they're still in your home. Number 1, CDs. Streaming music services have made CDs virtually worthless. I'm sorry to say. If you don't use them, it's time to let them go. Number 2, DVDs. Again, with digital streaming and on-demand services, DVDs are only collecting dust. Truly, if you've got CDs and DVDs in your living room, oh baby, that's a lot of room that you'll free up. We got rid of ours 15 years ago and have never missed a single one. Number 3, those takeout menus in your drawer or on your fridge. Most restaurants have their menus online now where they get to update them frequently. Number 4, phone books. In the age of smartphones and the internet, phone books are unnecessary. If you still have them lying around, recycle them and reclaim that space. Number 5, old MP3 players. Your smartphone likely does everything your old MP3 player did and more. Number 6, cables that you don't use. That tangled mess of cables, most of them probably belong to devices you no longer use. So recycle them responsibly. If, on the terribly slim chance, you really did get rid of one that you need in the future, most are pretty cheap to replace. But almost 100% of the time, you'll be just fine. Number 7, outdated magazines. Face it, if you haven't read them by now, you probably never will. Number 8, paper maps. GPS and smartphone maps have made paper maps obsolete. An entire generation will never learn how to fold them. Number 9, calculators. Your phone or your computer already has a better one. Number 10, encyclopedias. The internet has made physical encyclopedias unnecessary. Number 11, same with dictionaries and your thesaurus. What is a different name for thesaurus anyway? Number 12, business cards. Again, contact information can be found online. I honestly can't remember the last time I've dug up a business card to find someone. Number 13, travel guides. Travel apps and websites provide more up-to-date information than those old paper guides ever can. Number 14, fax machines. Newsflash, faxing is a thing of the past, people. Download a free scanner app for your phone if you do need to send documents. Number 15, VCR or DVD players. If you've moved on to streaming, those bulky devices are just taking up space. You already got rid of your CDs and DVDs in step number 1 anyway. Number 16, landline phones. Many households have ditched landlines altogether. If you're among them, you can let go of the phone. Number 17, address or contact books. It's easier to keep your smartphone's contact list up to date than an old paper version. Number 18, old greeting cards. While some cards hold sentimental value, most can be gotten rid of. At the very least, get rid of any where the person didn't add a thoughtful, meaningful note inside. Number 19, unused checkbooks. With online banking and digital payments, checkbooks are rarely needed. We still write a few checks here or there, but generally speaking, one checkbook lasts forever these days. To discard your old checkbooks, send them to me. Just kidding. Shred them, obviously. Number 20, old remote controls. If you no longer own the device, the remote is just clutter. Number 21, old cameras and film rolls. Photography changes fast. So if you've replaced an old camera with a new one, you can get rid of the old camera and the film rolls if you have any of those lying around. Obviously, do it in a responsible way if we're talking about expensive equipment. Number 22, instruction manuals. If you ever need it, most manuals are available online now. Honestly, if you're in doubt, just Google your appliance number and the word manual to see if it pops up. You can reclaim that shelf or that drawer where you've been keeping all of them. Number 23, how about old prescription glasses that don't work for you anymore? If they're no longer usable, recycle them through a program that accepts eyewear donations. Number 24, a stack of physical loyalty cards. Again, many loyalty programs now use apps or digital cards, so you can get rid of the physical ones. And how about this, mom and dad, if you're listening? Usernames and password lists kept on paper. For security reasons, it's better to use a digital password manager anyway. Almost all computers come standard with them. That paper notebook of passwords is just a calamity waiting to happen anyway. So there you go. You might want to disagree with one or two. That's fine with me. Generally speaking, I'm pretty confident with this for most people. So grab a box, set a timer, and let's start decluttering.